Yeah, people are looking to Big Wayne and are listen Big Wayne. Yeah, Ghana, big up the whole of Ghana, big up the whole of Gambia. Yeah, cause them place they listen Big Wayne. Yeah, it's not about Jamaica alone. So man go listen Big Wayne and feel like man artist. Yeah, we don't have it wrong. We loud a Gambia. We think them a play in Gambia. We think them a play in Ghana. Yeah, so we're glad for no say even the motherland and outer world I hear Big Wayne and I know about Big Wayne. Yeah.
So have some of those fans actually gone onto your social media and link you up?
Yes man, daily people link man, daily. People from all over the world link man, Facebook, Instagram. Yeah man, them cause people want to know what Big Wayne have, you know. Yeah. I see myself as a star. Yeah. Star, we can do this. Cause even on my Instagram, people look out for what me have put up. Everything me say, people say. Me have a thing now when me say, this me do. All some of them what kind of work them do. Them not have no job. If you check the road, 99% of the man in my party at night time, then don't have a work in the road. They don't contribute nothing to music. They don't do music. They don't do nothing. A sound man now ask them for a jingle. A sound man now ask them for a dub. A sound man now call them a morning and say, Big Wayne, how much that song depend dub? They not. I know that. So, but it have to be a talk like this. What kind of work can I do? I'm still asking and I know I can't get no question because them know in the facts enough of them do have a job in the road. Some of them job have to chat people, watch man, carry back me into artists, chat artists. I don't have the time for that. My work in the street have to be Big Wayne and to try get Big Wayne out there more and marketing more of Big Wayne. And that me I deal with right now, yeah. So what kind of work some boy do? I don't know.
So for the summer, that specific song that you're talking about?
Yeah man, it hot man. You know why that song is hot? Cause in it me I say, tell me why me they always a pray. Killer my daddy and that ain't no mystery. This are the new Big Wayne come to create history. Yeah. And when I say that, people react like, yeah, Killer my daddy, the whole world know that. Bunt Killer my daddy. Yeah, me and him maybe not talk now, I mean I go hear the general now, but at the general and nothing can't change that. Yeah, that a Bunt Killer will always be Bunt Killer. And no boy can't take that from him. Yeah, and him my dad and him my boss. And me never have Bunt Killer as a DJ. When me go around Killer, me I say, no, that man can't rule any community. Can rule with a blues force. And him have a drive back at him way. Yeah, him deal with leadership, Bunt Killer. Leader, real dad. Yeah, the man they come on him go. When you run him, either you work with him or you leave him. And if you don't know him, better you don't try to know him. Better you just know him as Bunt Killer, the artist, and see him and heal him. But Killer, I'm one of the nicest youth on earth. My father God ever built. Yeah, those people more while go around people and try get people on a different levels, and you understand, and big up Bunt Killer every time. Can't stop to that in the world. You hear that? And big up Twins of Twins. Big up every day of my life, I big them up. Anyway, me go into the world, I big them up and give them respect. Because respect is due where respect is due. You hear that? But Big Wayne and Big Wayne and Big Wayne and do Big Wayne.
Quite so. Now, as you had mentioned, Twins of Twins, volume that they have out now depicts you as, you know, it's some sort of a bad mind person, so to say, due to the fact that like due to the fact that how they depict you as someone who is getting everything but yet you still want more.
Yeah, well Big Wayne is that type of person either. Yeah, Big Wayne a youth who humbly anything what people give it from. To accept it and it look good to me, we are going to accept it, see me. But we not take anything from people at the same time. But we are not the youth that way. I'm going to do that. You see me, I say, we are real youth. The whole street know, everybody know, the whole world know. Big Wayne are the realest thing. Me realer than Tree King. You hear that? Yeah.
I even see they put you in the extortionist role, taking a little thing from the Chinaman every now and again.
Yeah, well, I don't know why they pick me that role now, but you don't know, you know. They try to make the thing look like, you see me I say, but everything good. You don't know acting. When I start people in a real life, I just acting. And you understand?
But nonetheless, since that volume has dropped, I'm sure that a lot of people have been searching for you more and hearing
Yeah,
you.
man. I'll BB extra right now, I search me. BB1 extra, I search me right now. I only put things in my pipeline, man. You don't know. Big way and a big way, and you see it. And
So
a
we
one
can,
big way and a two big way.
so we can look forward to see you on BB Extra then.
Yeah, soon.
Soon.
Yeah.
So this new song that you have out, are you planning to do any sort of music video for it?
Sure. Yeah, I think the producer for the song gonna give me a video anytime soon, you see me. So I may wait for now for drop it, and then we know where I think of if video now or wait for the video late at a later date, or you understand? Yeah.
So for fans out there who wants to keep up with Big Wayne, where can they find it?
Well, they can find Big Wayne, Facebook Dave channel, you don't know, Instagram Big Wayne, you see me, Twitter Big Wayne, you see me, yeah, that's Big Wayne, you can find Big Wayne, yeah, Big Wayne easy for find, Big Wayne now hide, Big Wayne up and running, yeah, the Instagram Big Wayne, Facebook Dave channel, you don't know, my Twitter Big Wayne, so they can link me, see
So
me.
they can see anything for you on YouTube?
Yeah, just type in Big Wayne and you'll see anything for Big Wayne pop up.
So Big Wayne, thank you for being here.
Yeah, man, OneKnockTV are the real TV and the realest TV. You see it, just there, do the thing, big up on yourself. You don't know, you see me. There, go and hold it, man, like a gully mullet. Mad dog, man dog, kill quick. You see that little thing that I'm telling me I want to deal with, you know, later at that party there. Someone just get ready because we're going to go at that party there, you hear that?